Hi, I'm Kim. I'm a librarian at the West Acres branch of the West Bloomfield Library. And today I wanted to talk to you about a book that I read a while ago, and now I went back and I'm looking at the sequel to it. It's called Spark Joy, an illustrated masterclass on the art of organizing and tidying up. It's a companion to The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. So you can find that ebook in Cloud Library. So I found that being at home surrounded by my things, I'm not sure everything here sparks joy. So one of the methods in the book that I found very useful was you would take the item and hold it to your chest and see if it sparks joy. Now, this particular item is a skirt that I wore on vacation. I know already that it doesn't spark joy because I remember the photos of me in it and I don't like them. So another tip that she gives for tidying up is to say goodbye to the object, because that is signaling the end of your relationship with it. I know there's been times I've given things away and regretted it afterwards, but this method of saying goodbye ends your relationship with it. Another part of the book that I found really interesting and helpful was her tips on folding. So she says to make things into a small rectangle, and the illustrated guide that we have available online shows you how to fold all kinds of things. So this is how to fold camisoles. I have a lot of tank tops, so I went to my drawer where I had them all just stacked up on top of each other, and I changed that. So if you can see here, pull out the drawer, they're all neatly folded into rectangles and organized so I can easily find them, and that has really been helpful and made things more joyful because they're easier to find and I like the way they look. They're nice and colorful. So I suggest giving that a try if you find that you're at home and looking at your belongings and thinking, these aren't very joyful to me. Now is the time, because you have time to see all the things you have. So thanks for watching.